Okay, Bruce Walton, I ain't very happy with you right now, buddy. I just, I've got this all apart. You told me you wanted me to get it to run and for me to get in it. Well, I ain't getting in it. I got to come up with a thing to sit there. I just did about a 3-foot wheelie in this. I took the gearboxes and stuff apart. We use Stay and Spray grease from Hot Shot Secrets. I've lubed up just a little bit in the back. I really haven't done anything to the front. I've got pieces and parts drying paint-wise. But I was really surprised that this thing actually held my fat butt on it. I really am. I've got to get it, the rest of the stuff all cleaned up. Oh, I've got a couple of these. If y'all don't know, Bruce Walton, he used to work for me with me at Walmart in Mount Vernon. He also ran NHRA Stock Eliminator, so he knows a little bit about racing and drag racing. He's been following along the Power Wheels journey since I started it all. And I went down and picked up a 2001 Ford F-150, made a nice little 12-volt modified car out of it. I don't know, Bruce. I'm actually having fun with this. This might actually not even race. This might be a well, every once in a while we do an adult drag race for the grown-ups. If I can figure out how to get the seating and stuff down, you might see me out in this, Bruce. But right now I've got it run off a toggle switch instead of the gas pedal. I need a new gas pedal, which I don't know if I'm going to put that in or not. As you can see, I've got it all jerry-rigged to no end. But hey, it doesn't move half bad with this fat boy on it. I've got a 12-volt battery in it now. That 24-volt deal, like I said, I did about a 2.5, 3-foot wheelie on it. I don't like you now, Bruce. I used to really like you. I almost flipped over on my head, which would have kind of been funny. But now Adele has been after me too. Dad, let's ride. I had a Formula One car that I'd ride around with her, but this one is actually going to be faster. Not that I'll be able to keep up with little speed demon Adele, but I get this rear end figured out, and this seating, maybe stretch it out a little bit more. I don't know. I just thought I'd show you this, Bruce. I don't have anybody here to video me driving it down the road, which I've already had some really strange looks. Of course, I probably look really strange driving it anyway, but I thought I would share this with you. Our next race is in KD Dragway, the 26th. If you're coming out to race, message us, let us know. I've got a couple people I know are coming. This is going to be a pretty good ordeal. I'm going to list the top two that are in points in each class here a little bit later tonight. I don't know if that'll give some of the others some gumption to come out and run or not, but it's been a real big fun season, with the exception of our trip to Indiana, which it was fun, but they need to instill some rules in their stuff there, which they don't really run rules. So anyhow, KD Dragway, the 26th. Then we'll, I think the next 2 races or 3 races are at Pacemakers. If you anybody out there has a real pretty car Don't even have to be pretty. You want to come out to light the night and support Licking County, the courthouse lighting. Jungle Jim Matheny was a big part of that, and he made this light the night stuff happen for quite some time. If you want to come out and support that, and you want to bring your kids and their Power Wheels, I'll be set up. They're going to be giving some trophies for Power Wheels, so you want to come out and start the kids off early, whether it's in drag racing or the car show aspect of it. Like to see y'all out there.